Hello, my name is Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm excited that since you can't be with me, I want to tell you a little bit about this beautiful property I have located in Jackson Township. Very convenient to everything, and it's on lake cable. So you have a private sanctuary in your backyard. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It's located at 5600 Island Drive, Northwest, Canton, Ohio, 44718 on a GPS. You have 2,769 square feet above ground, plus a lower level walkout, 975 square feet, which is a total of 3,744. Great opportunity to have plenty of living space, great for entertaining, a lot of outdoor spaces. It has a 3-car attached garage, gorgeous road appeal. So let me show you through this house and you see if this might be a home that you want to move into in the very near future. It's gorgeous. And you still have plenty of time to enjoy the lake. Here's the front view out the front door. So you have a little bit of a front porch here. It's brick, 3-car garage, gorgeous facade, sits way off the road, very quiet. So now when you first come in, this would be, if you notice, the ceilings are high. This is the great room. You can see it's 2 stories high. And that would be the lake view, which we'll peek at in a minute. This would be your formal dining, or it could be an office. Besides this office right here, which has French doors on it. Okay, we'll just take a quick peek over here. And it has carpeting. Let me get you close so you can see. It's nice neutral. Quality doors and windows throughout. So this would be one access point to the maintenance-free deck. And of course, then there's the lake. And the deck wraps around, so I'll show you that when we get to the kitchen. Nice accent wall. This would take you upstairs to the bedrooms. Again, back to the front door. All right, so all the action happens back here. So you have this 2-story great room. You have a fireplace here, of course. You have two-story windows, which those are on a blind system that would electronically go up and down, so you don't have to get up on a ladder. The windows are great. Very energy efficient. This is the wraparound deck I was talking about. You can't tell as well, but there's some stainless steel meshing, so you have a good view of the lake. It doesn't infringe on that. This here, if you look at the lake from this view, that takes you towards Fulton Road. As you can see, this deck is gorgeous. It's maintenance free. This would be off the office area. You see up there the master bedroom. This is off the great room down here. Now the carpet's nice and neutral. The wood is an oak wood. I'll just show you a close-up of that. Cabinets are gorgeous. Nice countertops, backsplash. Again, the views are awesome. I'll just give you another peek. Not to mention, down below, you have a walkout with a patio and fire pit and other things. Lots of cabinets. Nice open eat-in space. Plenty of storage. Let's take a look a second at these cabinets. So right here, I'm not sure what color you would call it, but it's a pretty color. The countertops are a Corian product. Very nice, looks like stone. Stainless steel appliances, wonderful gas stove. Let me get you another look this way. Okay. So you probably can't tell from the camera, but there's a lot of natural light coming in. Nice appliances. Okay. Let's see here. I believe we have a nice walk-in pantry. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. There you go. And well stocked. And then over here, there's a 3-car garage out here. And actually the tile, instead of being drywall, it's glazed tile, which is really a nice upgrade. And then you have a huge mud room / laundry, plenty of storage, plenty of cabinets, an ironing board on the wall. So this is great. Plenty of storage over here, back closet. You have a half bath here, so you can clean up quickly if you come in off the garage. Back to the front door again. So let's take a look upstairs. All right, top of the steps. Let's just do a quick 360. So that would be a big game room. That could be another bedroom. Of course, the 2-story great room. Okay, let's look in the master. So this is nice. Look at this view. Look at this. So you have a little balcony. Let's take a peek. This is in the master bedroom. Let's take a look. So if you were to sit out here, you know, you're warming up for a nice cup of hot tea, maybe a glass of wine. Great views. Look at that. So if you can look here, that direction would be Fulton. And you can see the backyard. You have your own little deck, fire pit. We're going to get closer on that here in a minute. Isn't that nice? So you can see the material. It's truly a maintenance-free product. So it'd be nice to have a couple chairs here. Let's check out the master closet and the master bath. Let's take a peek here. Oh my. Oh yeah, plenty of room here, guys. Now this has a heated floor, really pretty tile. Has some grays and a nice mix of colors. So this would be the heater. So this is nice, a huge soaker tub with jets, a nice shower. Yeah, this is nice. A lot of natural light in here, if you can tell. Yeah, this is great. A lot of storage. And this is a pretty pattern. Okay, let's go check out the other rooms. But imagine that view, huh? Okay, so this room here, beautiful. This faces the front of the house. Now what's nice is you have your own bathroom. So this is great. And then storage, of course, right here. Tub shower combo with a cast iron tub, which is unusual in these houses that are newer. This is an upgrade for sure. And then a nice walk-in closet. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Okay, so now we're going on to another suite. This has another full bath by itself with double sinks. Now, this one is great. Look at this. Double sinks, tile, nice big shower. Let's see what the floor looks like there. It's like a pebble stone. Of course, the toilet back here. Now, this is a large room. It's set up as a game room right now, but check it out. Plenty of storage. And then this big closet here. So you could put a couple children here. Of course, they'd probably like to have that train set. It's nice that everybody has a bathroom. All right, so let's go back downstairs and I'll show you the lowest level. All right, so we're downstairs to the lowest level. As you can see, it's a walkout lower level. Plenty of windows, sliding door. Nice laminate floor. It looks like wood. Very warm and inviting. It's nice and comfortable down here too. All right, so you have plenty of storage. Here's a little storage room here. this would be your furnace. It's 3-zone, forced air gas, high efficiency. And you see a power vent A.O. Smith. Looks like it's 75 gallons. That's nice. Okay, it looks like more storage. No shortage of storage here. And then it looks like you have a radon mitigation system there in that pipe in the back. All right. Now over here is a big game room, bar area. That bar would not stay, it's portable. And then a little exercise room, I think, is behind the curtain. Let's look behind the curtain. Okay. So here, you just have some equipment, a little place to exercise. Okay, now, this nice pool table would be a lot of fun, right? Don't challenge me because I'm not very good at it, but it would be a lot of fun. Let's take a big perspective. This is a very nice sized room. See that fireplace? It doesn't even look like it's ever been used. Here's some extra storage back here too, and another full bathroom. Look at that. Shower, plenty of storage. Now this would be all ceramic tile. So now this is ground level. And this is what I was talking about. So this is underneath the maintenance-free deck. So if you notice the ceiling, so no water is going to drip on your head. So you see you have windows, patio area, so you have outdoor entertainment space. You got lights for accenting, and then up above you can see top left, that's where I was standing off the master bedroom. Of course, the deck wraps around to the office. You got accent lighting. Okay, you can see some boaters out today. So you got some nice flagstone, beautiful landscaping. So a nice spot to sit and enjoy if you want a glass of wine or a hot cup of tea or coffee. But if you look here in the back, all maintenance free, it's beautiful. Can you imagine living your life out here? This would be great. Let's go down a little lower. So you can see the stone. It's just, there's lighting, beautiful landscaping, lots of stone accents, a nice little spot to rock. Okay. So over here, you have a little storage shed, which is nice for extra storage. Can't have enough of that. All right, so this is all fenced in. Now here's the patio they put on. Take a look at that. It's lovely. And then here's the boat, and they have it pulled right in between the sides so you can get out either way. It's maintenance free, right? Yeah. Take a look. As we go left, you can see the beach, the public beach. Straight ahead's the public beach. And then, of course, that's Fulton Road. And you can see the house really good from this perspective. And then this is great. Everybody wants a fire pit now. So how about this? You get off the boat, you get a fire going, you sit around, have some laughs. Isn't this wonderful? So this is truly a sanctuary. Let's get out here on the edge so you can see the water a little better. Can you imagine? The sunsets would be this direction here. And of course they have fireworks and activities, and it's just like your little sanctuary. So in closing, I would just like to say, if you would like an opportunity to physically come through this home, I tried to articulate it as best I could in a virtual walkthrough, but if you want to see it, just give me a call at 418-1535. That's 330-418-1535, or send me an email at dominic@dominicfonte.com. If you'd like to see this tour or more, you can go to dominicfonte.com and see what's available. But I appreciate you tuning in and enjoy the summer. Thanks.